These are the three best text messaging apps for Android in 2026 that completely upgrade your SMS experience with modern features and smooth performance. Number 3, we've got Textra SMS, rated 4.6 stars with over 10 million installs on Android. This isn't just a messaging app, it's a full customization powerhouse. You get 180 plus material design themes, bubble styles, and full control over light, dark, and night modes. You can schedule texts for later, set send delays, and even swipe to delete or call instantly. It also supports quick reply pop-ups, group MMS messaging, voice memos, GIFs, and smart message blocking. Plus, you can customize fonts, emoji styles, notifications, and even per chat settings. It even works with Android Auto, Push Bullet, and Mighty Text for a smoother experience. Textra makes texting faster, cleaner, and way more personal. It replaces your basic SMS app with something that actually feels modern, powerful, and fun to use every single day. At number 2, this is the messaging app that puts your privacy first. And I mean seriously first. Meet Signal, one of the most trusted private messaging apps in the world, rated 4.3 stars, with over 100 million installs and around 2 million reviews backing it up. Here's what makes it stand out. Every message you send is protected with powerful end-to-end encryption, so only you and the person you're talking to can read it. Not even Signal can see it. You can send texts, voice notes, photos, videos, GIFs, and files instantly using your internet, no SMS fees, no hidden costs. It also supports crystal clear encrypted voice and video calls, plus group calls with up to 50 people. And if you love group chats, Signal handles up to 1,000 members with full admin controls, so you stay in charge. You even get disappearing stories that vanish after 24 hours, giving you full control over your digital footprint. What makes it truly powerful is simple: no ads, no trackers, no data selling, just pure private communication. Lastly, the number 1, we've got Google Messages, rated 4.5 stars with over 41 million reviews and a massive 10 billion plus installs worldwide. This isn't just SMS, it's powered by RCS technology, which completely upgrades how you text. You can send high-resolution photos and videos, see when someone is typing, and enjoy smooth modern group chats, even connecting with iPhone users. What makes it stand out? It feels way more alive. You can customize chats with colors, send fun selfie GIFs, and make every conversation feel personal. And here's the big one: privacy. With end-to-end encryption between Google Messages users, your chats stay private. Plus, it blocks spam automatically. It also uses AI with Magic Compose, helping you write smarter, faster replies in seconds. Even better, it works across your phone, tablet, computer, and even Wear OS. This isn't just a messaging app. It's a full upgrade to how you connect every day. Which app would you choose? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe.